Hey there, how's everyone doing? Today we're going to be checking out this watch right here. Yep, I like checking out some of the collaboration watches. They're fun to do, and this one seems like a lot of fun. The G-Shock Burton collaboration, you can see there the tree with all the snows on them. Looks very cool. And let's open this guy up. Now, Burton is a brand that manufactures snowboards, and it's headquartered in Vermont, and it was established about 43 years ago in 1977, and it has become the largest snowboard brand in the world. Even me being down here on the islands, and specializing mostly in dive watches and stuff, I've heard of Burton. That shows you how popular the brand has become. And there you got the logo in pink. It looks very cool, and it'd be nice to check out this watch. And here we go. Let's see. Let's get this guy out of the plastic. It's got a round tin, a little different than their normal tins. Again, emphasizing the collaboration, which is cool. And here you go. Really, really nice. I'm glad they mixed it with the Mudmaster, because the Mudmaster is a tougher one of their watches, instead of one of the regular G-Shocks, because a snowboarding watch needs to be a Mudmaster. And here you go. The band is sick. It's really cool. Now, the reason why it's a Mudmaster is because the Mudmasters are engineered for use in extreme natural environments, stuff you'd encounter while boarding. And it's got the shock resistant, dual dust resistant, and mud resistance, all stuff you're going to encounter there. And here on the band there, you can see the little logo on the loop. Very, very cool. And the band here is supposed to look like a snow-covered mountain, all the trees with the snow on it. It's just a neat look for the watch, and I think this collaboration works great. The combination of the G-Shock Mudmaster along with Burton. And first you might think, I don't know about that pink in there, but that pink, it's just a little bit of the icing on the cake there. It gives it a little more highlights, so it's not just two neutral colors, with the black and the white. Very, very cool. It gives it a little more character. There you go. There's the strap again, and you can see the Mudmasters are thicker than traditional G-Shock watches. And the bottom of the strap, very neat. You can see the rugged design here. You can see it there on the back. So this guy's got a quad sensor, thermometer, altimeter, barometer, digital compass, and a step counter. And we'll light this guy up, and you can see the LED illuminator on the watch too. You can see it's a bigger sized watch, so it is a larger watch. If you're not into large watches, I'd skip this one. Now, not only is this watch rugged, but you can use Bluetooth to connect it to your phone, and you can adjust the different features there on your phone on the app. It's called G-Shock Connect, and here you can see it lit up. Very, very cool. Thanks, guys.